Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to fold using an unusual material. And this one we're not going to expect to be perfectly flat because it's a napkin and it does have some imperfections. But you'll notice you'll want to find the corner where all of the folds come together. This one doesn't have any raw edges. This has all the folds. And we're just going to treat this as if we've already folded in half and half again. And so we're just folding this point into thirds. So we're just going to go ahead. Gonna hold on to this, and so you can actually, that's the one I would normally tuck into the center because it had the two folds. Usually like to put the two folds to the center so that it doesn't slide around as much when I'm cutting. Okay, and that's fold 4, and then refolding 3 over top of it. And there we go. It's ready to be cut for snowflakes. A little bit different at the top here. There's not as decisive of a line, so you'll still need to be aware of that. Thank you for watching.